Okay, our next question paper is from May 2021. So let's go to chapter number 7. Here, the first question from chapter number 7 is, which language is considered as one of the ideal language for distributing executable programs via the World Wide Web? I'm repeating the question. Which language is considered as one of the ideal language for distributing executable programs via the World Wide Web? Options are CSS, HTML, JavaScript, Java. Let's go to page number 135 to find out the correct answer. Okay, here you can see the topic name is Introduction to Java. Let's read this first line. Java language was developed at Sun Microsystem in 1991. We already know about this. Java is small, fast, efficient, and easily portable to a wide range of hardware devices. It is considered as one of the ideal language for distributing executable programs via the World Wide Web. Okay, and also a general purpose programming language for developing programs that are easily usable and portable across different platforms. So I hope we have got the answer. Let's go to question paper. So the correct answer is option D, Java. Okay, our next question is, in the structure of Java program, what is used as a placeholder? In the structure of Java program, what is used as a placeholder? So we have four options right here. Let's go to page number 140 to check the correct answer. Okay, here you can see text in angle bracket. Text in angle bracket in this. So these are known as angle bracket. So text in angle bracket is used as a placeholder that describes something actual we need to type while writing actual programs. If you are not getting what is written over here, it's fine. You simply keep this thing in your mind that these are known as angle brackets and these are used as a placeholder in the structure of a Java program, right? You can see an example right here. Let's go to question paper. So the correct answer is option A, text in angle brackets. Next question is, in Java, which of the following determines the required memory size, type of values, range of values, and type of operations that can be performed? I'm repeating the question. In Java, which of the following determines the required memory size, type of values, range of values, and type of operations that can be performed? Options are data types, operators, comments, literals. Let's go to page number 141 to check the correct answer. Okay, so the name of the topic is data types. Let's read this line. Data type determines the required memory size, type of values, range of values, and type of operations that can be performed. So who determines all of these things? Data type determines the required memory size, type of values, range of values, and type of operations that can be performed. Okay. And the next line is, Java supports 8 primitive data types that handle common types for integers, floating point numbers, characters, and boolean values, which are true and false. Let's go to our question paper. So the correct answer is option A, data types. Next question is, in Java, which of the following syntax is used to declare a variable? Let's go to page number 143 to check the correct syntax for declaring a variable. Here you can see first we have type name in angle bracket and then we have variable names in curly braces. Okay, so this is the syntax for declaring a variable in Java. So first we have type name and then we have variable names. So option B is the correct answer. Next question is, which of the following is a valid variable name in Java? We have already covered the rules for declaring a variable in Java programming. And according to that rule, this option C, date, is a valid variable name in Java programming. This one is not valid as it is starting with a digit and second, it has a space. This thing is not valid because it has a space, and this one is also invalid because it is starting with modulus sign or percentage sign. You can go to page number 143 to read all the rules for declaring a valid variable in Java. Next question is, in Java, which of the following is a valid example of octal number? We have also covered this thing earlier. In order to identify an octal number, we have to check 0 as prefix. If any given number there is a 0 as its prefix, then it's an octal number. Okay, next question is, what is the default data type of floating point literal? What is the default data type of floating point literal? So what is literal? I have already explained you about literal, but let me quickly remind you what literal is. Let's say if I write a is equals to 5 and name is equals to Ram, then this 5 and this Ram is known as literal. This is an numerical literal, and this is string literal. Okay, and if I talk about floating point, so floating point means if I write like this 9.5, so this is floating point. Okay, now the question is, what is the default data type of floating point literal? So let's go to page number 145 to find out the correct answer. Okay, so here you can see in Java, floating point literal by default is of the type double. In Java, floating point literal by default is of the type double. Alright? So I hope you have got the correct answer. What is the default type? What is the default data type of floating point literal? So the correct answer is option C, double. Next question is, which type of Java comment is usually used to have more than one line as comments? We all know the correct answer. The correct answer is multi-line comment, option D. And here I would like to ask you a question. How many types of comments are available in Java? Yes, there are 3 types of comments available in Java. First one is single line. This is the symbol for single line comment. Second, multi-line, and third one is documentation or documentation comment. Okay. Our next question is, in Java, what will be the output of 8 modulus 3? Let's solve it. 8 modulus 3. So we have to divide 8 by 3. 3 2s are 6. Remainder is 2. And do you remember, if modulus sign is given, then we have to consider this thing, remainder. So the answer would be 2. So the correct answer is option C, 2. Our next question is, in the conditional operator of Java, which symbols are used in the expression to delimit 3 operands? In the conditional operator of Java, which symbols are used in the expression to delimit 3 operands? And we all know the correct answer. The correct answer is option A, this one. This is also called ternary operator. And I have already explained you about this operator. So let's move to next question. Our next question is, in Java, what are used to choose among 2 or more possible courses of action? In Java, what are used to choose among 2 or more possible courses of action? We have already discussed this thing, and the correct answer is option D, branches. Okay. Our next question is, in switch statement of Java, which statement is executed when no match is found? In switch statement of Java, which statement is executed when no match is found? We have already seen this question. This is a repeated one. And the correct answer is option B, default one. Okay, so we have covered all the questions from chapter number 7 from May 2021 paper. Now let's move to the next question paper. Okay, so our next question paper is from July 2022. Let's go to chapter number 7. Okay, our first question from chapter number 7 is, what is the name of the machine language for the JVM, Java Virtual Machine? We have already discussed about JVM and what is the machine language for Java Virtual Machine. It's Java bytecode, option C. And what is the extension for Java bytecode? Yes, it's .class. And may I ask you, what is the extension for Java source files? Yes, it's .java. Next question is, in Java program, which method adds a line feed after the end of the formation that it displays? I'm repeating the question. In Java program, which method adds a line feed after the end of the formation that it displays? I have already shown you a program for this question. Let me show it to you once more time. So here you can see I have added println. I'm removing it right now. And then I'll compile it and I'll wait for exit code 0. As I have already told you what exit code 0 means. Exit code 0 means we have successfully compiled our Java source file. Now it's time to execute it. Okay, here you can see everything is getting printed in the same line. Right? Now if I want to print each and every statement in the new line, then I have to use println. Let me compile it again. We are waiting for exit code 0 and now we'll execute it. Here you can see each and every line is getting printed in the new line. So I hope you have got the correct answer. The question is, in Java program, which method adds a line feed after the end of the formation that it displays? And the correct answer is option A, system.out.println. Moving to the next question. Which menu option of Skite editor is used to compile Java program? We just saw it right now. It's option B, tools, then compile option. So option B is the correct answer. Next question is, the definition of the method or function in Java is enclosed between which brackets? The definition of the method in Java is enclosed between which brackets? Let me show you the same program. Here you can see this is our main method or main function, and this main method is enclosed between these two curly braces. Okay, so the correct answer is option B, curly brackets. Our next question is, how many primitive data types are supported in Java? We have seen this question already and we all know the correct answer. The correct answer is option C, 8. So there are 8 primitive data types which are supported in Java. Next question is, which of the following is an invalid variable name for Java program? We have already discussed which are the rules for declaring a variable in Java program, and according to that rule, option D, modulus or percentage discount is an invalid variable name for Java program as it is starting with percentage sign. Right? You can go to page number 143 to read all the rules which are available for declaring a variable in Java program. Our next question is, which of the following is not a proper type of variable in Java program? So in order to answer this question, we should know how many types of variables are available in Java. So let's go to page number 145 to figure out how many types of variables are available. Okay, let's read this line. In Java, there are 3 kinds of variables. How many? 3. So in Java, there are 3 kinds of variables available. The first one is instance variable. The second one is class variables. And the third one is local variables. So first one is instance variables. Second one is class variables. And third one is local variables. Function parameters and variables declared in the function are considered as local variables. Next line is important. We will study about instance and class variables later. Alright, so don't worry about these 2 variables. Instance and class variables. We'll study about them later. Okay, let's go to our question paper. Options are public variable, local variable, class variable, instance variable. As we have seen, there are 3 variables which are available in Java, and those are local, class and instance. So public variable is not a proper type of variable in Java program. Correct answer is option A. Next question is, which symbol is used to denote single line comment in Java program? Now we all know which symbol is used to denote a single line comment in Java program. It's option A, /. Okay, and this symbol is used for which kind of comment? It is used for multi-line comment. Yes, and this one? Yes, this one is used for documentation. Right? So we have only 3 types of comments available in Java. Our next question is, in Java program, which of the following are used to repeat a sequence of statements over and over until some condition occurs? We have already discussed this thing. And the correct answer is option C, loops. Our next question is, in Java program, which of the following is used when there are many alternative actions to be taken depending upon the value of a variable or expression? I'm repeating the question. In Java program, which of the following is used when there are many alternative actions to be taken depending upon the value of a variable or expression? And the options are typecast statement, switch statement, if statement, for statement. Let's go to page number 159 to check the correct answer. Okay, here you can see the topic name is switch statement. A switch statement is used when there are many alternative actions to be taken depending upon the value of a variable or expression. Right? Here the result of the text expression must be of the type taking discrete values. Okay, so I hope you have got the correct answer. So option B is the correct answer for this question. Okay, so that's it. We have covered all the questions from chapter number 7 which are available in this question paper. And as I had told you to be with me and watch the entire video at least once. And if you have watched the entire video at least once, I am sure that this Java thing is not as difficult as it was before watching the video. I'm not saying you have become the master of Java programming, but now you are able to understand what Java is, what is Java source file, what is Java bytecode, what is compilation, what is execution, what exit code 0 means, what exit code 1 means, what are the loops available in Java programming, right? So I'm sure you have a better understanding of Java programming. You will get to know more about Java programming in the next chapter. The next chapter is chapter number 8. It's all about classes and objects. So I would request you to watch each and every video of Java programming if you want to understand this Java thing in a better way. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you have any suggestion, any feedback for us, please let us know in the comment section. And also, if you have any doubt related to any topic in the entire book, please let us know and we will try our best to explain you that topic. Alright then, see you in the next video. Till then, stay happy and keep learning. Thank you.